Our life, hindi talaga natin may iwas sa mas stress due to some circumstances na hindi natin makontrol. Kaya naman, of course, aside from praying and relying on God's help, kailangan din nating mag-search ng mga avenues para ilabas yung mga stress natin, mga be. And for me, it's going to the gym and also creating contents. Kaya wag mong kimkimin yung stress inside you. It's natural to be stressed, but wag mong itago sa sarili mo. Do something na ma-relieve yung stress mo. You can meet other people, go with friends, and even read books. Kasi stress is detrimental to our health and nakakasira talaga siya ng immune system. So, kaya natin to. Fighting!